Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lala and today we're going to be making some Jamaican browning. Yes, so for some reason I haven't not been able to find this for a few months now, and I need to make my cakes, so I decided to make this recipe. I did get this recipe on Pinterest, so yeah. So let's get started. I'm using the Demerara sugar because it's a darker brown sugar. I mean, you can use other brown sugars, but I just find that this gets me to the right darkness that I need to get to when burning the sugar. So yeah, you can use other sugars too, but I definitely prefer this one because it gets me to where I want my color to be. So I'm doubling this recipe, and so I mean, you can do 1 cup if you want, just to start out, to make sure you get used to it before you go for a whole bunch of sugar. So because I've made this a few times already, I'm comfortable to double this recipe. So I'm doing 2 cups packed brown sugar, and then on my stove I'm gonna add that to my pot, and then I'm gonna turn it up onto like medium high. So throughout this process I'll be going up and down with it because it does smoke a lot, so prepare for that. Make sure you have a hood fan or something, but this will definitely smoke a lot. You'll see further down in the video. So at times I will be removing it from the heat because you don't want it to burn and get stuck to the bottom of the pot, right? So yeah, this is a fairly easy recipe to do if you run out of the browning. I know this is not for everybody because not everybody uses this, but just in case you need to make your black cake or whatever and you can't find the browning, like I can't find it, then this will be a good recipe for you to make. Okay, it's just 2 ingredients and maybe like 15 minutes of your time. It doesn't take too long. Okay, now I know I've been missing for a little bit, and that's because, to be honest, I just got tired. I just needed a break, and I wasn't gonna come back, to be honest, but I just rethinked it a little bit, and then I said let me just do some videos because I'm still getting comments on my previous videos, and I'm still getting subscribers, and I don't really want to let anybody down by not posting new videos. So I said let me just start up again, but I might not be doing it like 2-3 videos a week, maybe 1 video a week, if that much, to be honest, because I don't want to, like, this takes a while to set up the camera and do voiceover and actually do videos and stuff like that, and if nobody's watching, then it's like, it's not that productive for me, and because I'm always busy, so trying to do this, I love doing this, but don't get me wrong, it's just that I don't want to keep doing this and I'm getting 5 views in a year. It doesn't make sense, right? So here we are, the sugar is melting, and like I said, it is smoking a lot. So remove it and turn the heat down if you think it's getting too smoky. But all I'm doing is just literally just stirring until it gets to the right color that I want. So in this time I have my kettle on. I'm going to be boiling some water. You can't use cold water in this, or else it will just clump up. It doesn't make sense to go through all of this and then add cold water. It's not going to work. So you have to use boiling water, okay? Not water from the tap. That's not going to work either. Trust me. So yeah, make sure you turn your kettle on and have your water ready. Yeah, so I'm almost at the color that I desire, but for some reason some of the sugars got stuck to the side. I never had that problem with the other sugar, like the light brown sugar and stuff like that, but I don't mind it because it did get me the color that I want, which the lighter brown sugars doesn't get me that. So that's fine for me if that happens. But yeah. So just keep stirring and remove it from the heat if it's getting too smoky, and just just play with it. Don't just leave it there so it burns. Like I mean, yeah, you want the sugar to burn, but you don't want it to get stuck to the bottom of the pot, which it will do. So just keep stirring, and then when you get to the darkness that you require, then like right now it's ready. The color is even darker than it's darker to the color that I want. So I'm gonna pour in that boiling hot water slowly. I'm using 1 cup of hot water. I'll leave the recipe in the description box, so check it out. But yeah, 1 cup of hot water, and just stir it until it's combined, and then remove from heat until it's nice and cool. Okay. The recipe that I'm following, it says store in the refrigerator. To be honest, I don't do that. I store mine right on my countertop, but I mean, if you want to put it in the fridge, it's fine too. But mine is on my countertop. Alright, so now that it's cool, I'm gonna just put in a jar. Look how dark that is. That is like exactly the color I want. That would make some nice cakes. Okay, and that's pretty much it for the video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.